Fact: around the world, governments are raising interest rates to fight inflation. Fact: the threat of inflation is very high in the USA due to the incredible amounts of debt the government has taken on, and the few jobs it's created for that money spent. Fact: around the world, countries are calling for the end of the US dollar as a global currency. China and Russia are already trading oil in their own currencies, a move unheard of in the history of oil trading. Fact: most Americans are unsure what to do to protect their wealth and where to invest to make it grow. Most people now agree gold is seen as the only commodity that will preserve values of wealth and currency. As a matter of national and economic security, governments around the world are spending billions to control as much of the world's gold supply as possible. Because soon, gold is likely to be the only value a currency really has. Led by India, Russia, and China, even emerging countries are getting into the gold buying business. Mexico's central bank just bought 100 tons of gold in May 2011. The total forecast for gold purchases worldwide for 2011 was only 240 tons. In the United States, the policy to increase currency and take on debt to improve the economy has backfired. Not only have the envisioned jobs not materialized, now the government has fewer dollars to keep pace with the global purchases of gold. But luckily, the United States is a major gold-producing nation. In fact, it is the fourth largest producer of gold in the world. And with the price of gold at all-time highs, it only makes sense to capitalize on this strength. Of all the gold produced in the USA, more than 82% comes from mines in the state of Nevada. A majority of Nevada gold comes from 4 trend lines, hosting 6 major gold mines and several junior areas of gold production. That's because gold tends to be discovered in proximity areas, meaning if you find gold, chances are there's more of it very close by. But with gold prices at historic highs, current major gold producers are concentrating on taking out as much possible from existing mines, and that's not easy. In the history of gold mining, if you took all of the gold that's ever been removed from the earth, it would fit inside of an Olympic-sized swimming pool. So rather than spend time exploring for new sources, they're content to let junior miners explore for gold, and if promising findings show up, to buy out the juniors at huge premiums to market, making early investors very wealthy indeed. For example, a small 3-person mining outfit called Frontier Gold announced some promising results and was recently purchased by Newmont Mining for $2.33 billion. Yes, with a B. Another junior with claims in Nevada has been quietly building up their assets, and its stock price has been rising on small volumes, a sure sign it will soon break out. Pengram Corp currently has 216 mining claims covering about 4,350 acres in 3 of Nevada's 4 highest producing trend lines. Pengram Corp recently quietly announced it is negotiating for a further 54 gold mining claims on the 4th Nevada trend, the Carlin Trend, the most prolific of all Nevada trend lines. Pengram Corp trades under the symbol PNGM on the NASDAQ OTCBB market right here in the USA. Unlike most junior mining companies, Pengram boasts seasoned, experienced management that has been able to put together an impressive list of claims simply because of their reputation. These are the kinds of claims on the kinds of trends that, quite frankly, most juniors couldn't touch. But because of the worldwide interest in gold, the word is starting to get out on Nevada's gold resources. Already, most of the good mining claim sites in all 4 trends have been spoken for. So now, miners are beginning to buy into companies that have claims on those trends. And investors are following suit. That's why Pengram's stock has been rising slowly but steadily. And it's only a matter of time before word gets out on this exceptional junior. And then you can bet Pengram's stock price will reflect the true value of the claims it holds. A Cohen research report estimated the share price would reach 78 cents. Eric Danny's Stock Prospector, which specializes in junior miners, has pegged the short-term price of Pengram stock at $1.25, currently trading under 40 cents. For a full report on Pengram and to see where it fits into your portfolio, please continue reading below. Pengram, an American gold company.